Today we're going to talk about comparing numbers. Our learning objective is I can compare numbers using the greater than and less than symbol. So before we start comparing numbers, we need to decide which one is the greater than symbol and which one is the less than symbol. So let's go ahead and start with the less than. And whenever you say the word less, you can hear the L at the beginning of the word less. So let's go ahead and spell that word, L-E-S-S, and you can see the letter L at the beginning. We're just going to focus on that. And we need to look and see which symbol kind of represents that letter L. Which one looks similar to the letter L? Yeah, it looks like this one on the right. It kind of looks like it. It looks a little bit kind of at an angle, a little bit squished up a little bit, but that one is going to be our less than symbol. So the other symbol on the left is going to be the greater than symbol. So now let's go ahead and compare numbers. So here we have the number 25 and we have the number 27. We usually look at the number that's far all the way to the left. So over here we have the tens place, the 2 and 25, and then we also have a 2 in the tens place on the number 27. That is not going to help us figure out which one is greater than or less than. So now we have to look at the ones place. So in the number 25 we have a 5, and in the number 27 we have a 7. So we probably need to use some base 10 blocks to help us see this visually. So let's go ahead and build the number 25. So we have a 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and then we're going to go ahead and build the number 27. So we have a 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So here we can kind of see which one has more blocks. Okay, so now that we built the number 25 and built the number 27, we know that 27 is greater than 25. But now we have to use the correct symbol. So we are going to use the symbol that is the opening of it, or you want to say like an alligator's mouth, is going to face the number 27. So that is going to be the number that is greater, but that is not how we would read it. We would not say 27 is greater than 25 because that is not the way it's written. So the way it's written, we would always start all the way to the left. Like we are going to read a sentence, that's the way we would read this equation. We would say 25 is less than 27. And then this is how it's written. 25 is less than 27. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at these two numbers. We have the number 57 and we have the number 52. So go ahead and you can pause the video and you can build the number 57 with your base 10 blocks and 52. And then put in the correct symbol, if it's going to be less than or if it's going to be the greater than symbol. Okay, so let's see, which one is it going to be? That's right. It's the greater than symbol. 57 is greater than 52. Good job, guys.